Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to get Bedcoin fast in Roblox Bedwars in Season 11 in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To get Bedcoins quickly in Roblox Bedwars for the new Season 11, follow these steps. First, focus on playing matches efficiently. You can earn Bedcoins by participating in games, so prioritize winning and completing objectives. The more matches you play and win, the more Bedcoins you will accumulate. Second, take advantage of lucky blocks. When you open lucky blocks during matches, you have a chance to receive valuable items, including Bedcoins. Make it a point to seek out and break these blocks whenever possible. Third, consider using scripts or exploits to enhance your gameplay. You can find various scripts on platforms like Piston that provide hacks such as Aimbot or Kill Aura. To use these scripts, you will need a reliable script executor like KRNL or Synapse. Once you have the executor, launch it while in the Bedwars game, paste the script into the executor, and hit the execute button. This can give you an edge in matches, helping you earn Bedcoins faster. Lastly, keep an eye on updates and events in the game. Developers often introduce limited-time events or challenges that can reward players with additional Bedcoins. Participating in these events can significantly boost your coin count. By focusing on these strategies, you can maximize your Bedcoin earnings in Roblox Bedwars Season 11. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching till the end. Do consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.